What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So you might be wondering how to exactly withdraw Sweatcoin here. So there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So the thing with Sweatcoin here is there are two ways to basically utilize your Sweatcoin. So the first method I'll be showing you here is going to be the indirect way of using your Sweatcoin. So when you open up the Sweatcoin app here and just choose the rewards option, you'll now have the option to start spending your Sweatcoin. Now, the thing with Sweatcoin here is you can exchange this for different things that the reward section here has to offer. So in this case, maybe you want to switch this to a super draw, or you can even get a Kindle here if you want, which in this case, you go ahead and just avail them if they are available in here. But this actually depends on the time or the month, so they have different offers. So it's actually best that you visit their page here from time to time and see what's the latest one that you could get. Now, this is the indirect way of using your Sweatcoin. Now, if you really want to change this or exchange this for actual currency that you could use, well, what you could do is you want to go ahead and download the Sweat wallet here and basically connect your Sweatcoin account. Now, the thing with Sweat wallet here is you can send or start sending your Sweatcoin to different accounts or platforms out there that could allow you to basically exchange them for actual money. Now, currently with Sweatcoin, how it's actually currently set up. So, since again, Sweatcoin is fairly new, it's not yet fully established for in other platforms. But there is one platform that you could try here, which is going to be KuCoin. So, if I'm not mistaken, they support Sweatcoin, so you could use KuCoin to basically exchange your Sweatcoin to actual money. But yeah, so what you need to do here is you just need to click on transfer here, and you just want to choose Sweat here. And also you want to make sure that you've chosen send. But yeah, in this case, you just need to enter the address of your KuCoin wallet and basically fill out all the necessary details here in order for you to make the transfer and start selling your Sweatcoin in the KuCoin platform. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.